Welcome to episode 3. Yeah, I think is it 3 or 4 of Builder Blind Dates, a show where we take builders in Web3.
I'm currently working as a core engineer at Talent Lab. We're building a tool called Review, which is kind of like a freelancer review marketplace.
Hey everyone, I'm Nazeeh and I'm from India. I am working as a solutions engineer at Fuel Network.
We throw some protocols on a spinning wheel
I want to build on Story Protocol because
because they got large
just
amounts of
raised
funding, right? That's why we want
they
to
just raised
sponsor the show.
$140 million, and I want to know what that's about.
That's a great reason. That's a beautiful reason. That's going to be inspiring to many, I think.
Yeah, so about the protocol, I am thinking of building an Aptos because of the architecture and the lots of benefits that they have to offer. And it has always, I think, interested me, but I have never got to try it or build on it. So
Okay, and I'm going to elect Nilian as my protocol. So at the time of recording, just to make this clear, I have not actually built anything on Nilian. I've done perhaps the quick start, but I love the team. I think this whole idea of blind computing is something big. I'm not sure what the use cases are yet, so I want to play around with it to see maybe something fun around this. And it's a great team, great swag, which I think is why people give swag out, right? So that I can start building on their things. I don't know. And we let the wheel decide on what we're going to build. So let's spin this thing. All right, here we go.
boom.
It's my favorite part.
Oh,
So
so
close. All right,
All
million it
right,
is.
it's Nilian. Okay, what do you think your chances are on winning this competition?
Uh, Honestly, I'm feeling pretty good about my chances because I know nobody's built on Story Protocol here, and I got a sneak peek at the documentation just now, and it seems to be a lot of TypeScript, and I think I'm pretty good at TypeScript.
yeah, so I'm actually even I am not much confident about because it's completely new. Honestly, I haven't dived into Aptos docs before, and I don't know how it's gonna be, what would the journey. But yeah, I am confident about my skills. Not particularly TypeScript, but overall in general. So yeah, hoping for the best.
Even though my record is perfect in this show, I am 2-0 now, 3-0 almost. I want to make sure that this is a fair game, so I'm going out and I'm looking for people who I think might have a chance against me. Welcome back, everybody. It's that time again. It is the time to now reveal what we've been building on Nilian. There we go. I got the swag. Just smooth up our judge. So, because I don't know if my demo will be doing that. So we took some time. We're coming back. We built on Nilian. And we have our esteemed judge, as always, someone coming from the protocol of the project themselves, Steph. Welcome to Builder Blind Dates.
Thank you. It's my first time on a blind date show, and it's perfect. It's named Blind Dates. At Nilian, we are building a blind computer, and so you can write NADA programs to run blind compute on secret inputs so that you can compute on data without having to see it. So very excited to see what you guys have built.
Steph, as the judge, you have the honor to choose who gets to go first.
Okay. Well, I wrote a NADA program to decide randomly. Just kidding, I did not. But let's have Pranav go first.
So I basically built this game called Cows and Bulls. Do you guys all know the rules of Cows and Bulls? Okay, so it's a really popular word game. Basically, the NADA program that I wrote is basically has a word represented as a number, a four-letter word, and my job is to guess that word. And for each guess, I get a score in Cows and Bulls. Let me show you how it works. So I'm going to upload Nara program here. There it is. And once it uploads, yeah. So basically, my job is to guess the word and based on the scores that I get. So I already know the word. So can you guys give me a guess? Just a four-letter word. Any four-letter word? Okay, let's try milk. It's okay. So zero bulls and zero cows means that none of the letters in this word exist. So I'm just going to strike those out. And then, okay, so there's a rule in the game. The word cannot have any repetitions. So nada doesn't work. But the idea is, so one bull means that there's a letter in the word which is in the right place. A cow means that there's a letter in the word in the wrong place. And zero on both means none of the letters in this are in the actual word. So the idea is to keep filtering down. So I'm going to pretend like I don't know the word and I'm going to make a guess. Uh, so uh, let's say grow, and I should get, yeah, three bulls and zero cows. So I'm going to guess maybe the RO is the other like GRO, are the three letters in the right place, which starts with a letter but ends in ROW.
Pro.
And that should, yep, that's the right word.
So I haven't got the UI because firstly, let me start with what I have done. So I have tried to create a private order book, and I have written another program for that. Here it is. So this is the entire program that go ahead and just makes the matches for the buyers and sellers. I'm not been able to compile this whole program because I have got the error with some Boolean value here. I have put that on forum, but I haven't got any luck or answer over here. So this is how far I have got. Apart from that, I have uh, got the quick start guide, CR in Alien locally, and I was able to work through it. It was working successfully. I have even got minimal UI going, but yeah, it is useless before without the actual Nada code. So yeah.
Okay, so I am going to fight through all this lag to try to get this going. I think somebody's hacking my network. So one of you is hacking my network to slow me down. But I'm going to go ahead and share. Hopefully we can get everything going. If not, hey, it's all right. Talked about dating. This is blind date and blind compute. So I thought, why not do a blind dating app, which I'm sure it's been done before, but I think I'm gonna try to do it better. Um, if we talk about dating, one of the things that people are hiding from us is, or not telling the truth, is their height. Maybe, right? You're looking for a man in finance, 6'5", blue eyes, whatever. So I wanted to make a blind app that could hide. You would submit your height, your salary, the amount of savings that you have, and it would do a matching of that with whatever that the suitor or the person you're trying to date, whatever they're trying to do, and you could be completely honest, and you would only just get that match. You didn't have to reveal anything, and it would be based on that. So you don't have to make some fake profile or AI generated thing to lie about it. So here's my Nada program. Basically, I wanted to do three people, and I wanted to compare. Alice has some sort of ideal height, and Bob and Charlie have also, they want to submit their height, and then we want to match those in to find out who is the best match for good old Alice. Back to this amazing demo. Now I'm less laggy. Maybe it was because I had I had like Google Chrome open and Arc, which is like a no-no. Maybe that's what was just sucking out my whole M3. Okay, so we stored the secret. Yeah, M3 Pro. Okay, and then I have this Python store secret here. Now I'm going to store the secrets of Bob and Charlie. So Bob's got the height of 180 and here, and then Charlie's got the height of 170. So we would know now. Alice's ideal height is 170 actually. So in theory, this should work. Where now Alice is going to store her ideal height into this program. Great, she provided that height, and this is where this little app takes some time and times out quite often. But this is the idea, and just hopefully at the end of this, Alice gets the match to Bob, and boom, bam, they go on a date. This is blind compute, blind dating, empowered by Nilian. Thank you very much for this.
I love this because maybe Alice could say, well, I'll settle for a height of 160 if his salary is over 100K. Or she could get, yeah, spicy with it. That's fun.
It's the time to make your grand decision, Steph, on who is going to win this Builder Blind Dates episode 4.
All right. Well, I really like all three ideas, but I think I have to give it to Pranav with the front end and the game. And the cows.
Congratulations, Pranav. You're the first one to beat me on this show. But I want to say one thing just to clear up my good name. Pranav, give us a hood.
Damn, seriously?
Yes, seriously. I was 3 for 3 until this episode. But Pranav gave us a little head fake because he wrote in our Telegram group. I'm not making excuses here, but he said, wow, I think I'm just going to do a CLI app because this whole front end is so hard to make. And then slow and behold, this demo comes up with the front end.
It fooled both of us.
So, congratulations. This is not your show. Take it as what you want.
No. Did he hit end?